is called as bearish Marabuzo. Now started at this time. Okay, so this candle, if the candle color is green, it is called as bullish Marabuzo. If the candle color is red, it is called as bearish Marabuzo.
Okay.
I'll show you this sample. I have some samples. I'll show you. See these candles.
Okay. Okay.
So the first one, which is in green color, this is bullish Marabuzo, means the buyers are dominating the sellers.
Right.
And second is the bearish Marabuzo. In this, sellers are dominating the buyers.
Oh, yes, correct. Okay, sounds good.
And we have the wicks also, as you mentioned, right? Upper wick and the lower wick.
Lower wick. Okay.
And apart from that, we now started at this point. Okay, so this candle, if the candle color is green, it is called as bullish Marabuzo. If the candle color is red, it is called as bearish Marabuzo.
Okay.
I'll show you this sample. I have some samples. I'll show you. See these candles.
Okay. Okay.
So the first one, which is in green color, this is bullish Marabuzo, means the buyers are dominating the sellers.
Right.
And second is the bearish Marabuzo. In this, sellers are dominating the buyers.
Oh, yes, correct. Okay, sounds good.
And we have the wicks also, as you mentioned, right? Upper wick and the lower wick.
Lower wick. Okay.
And apart from that, we have four prices also. Open price,
Right.
price, high price, and close price.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, irrespective of shape and color of the candle, we will have four prices in each and every candle.
Okay. Okay, is it good now? Like, I think the meeting got disconnected.
Yeah, actually, I think in Zoom there is a limit of 40 minutes, so I think that is why
yeah.
disconnected.
Okay. Okay.
So that I have not taken the plan actually.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So, like, when you choose the 30-minute candle for intraday, then do you go to the lower time frame to take the trade, or you take the trade only in the 30-minute candle?
In 30 minutes candle only, and my expectation is like if I don't get profit, I can carry forward that trade.
Okay. Okay.
So that should be your expectation, because if you are seeing a good volume on 30 minutes and if you are not getting profit in intraday, then I have seen that many times you may get the profit by next day or within 1 or 2 days, because we have seen a good volume in 30 minutes and 1 hour time scale.
Okay. Okay.
So my expectation is like I can wait for some days also.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So that is the reason I have started using the 30 minutes and 1 hour for intraday.
If you go for 1 week, what is the average returns you get approximately?
See, weekly sometimes we may not get, because sometimes the market is in the sideways movement, but I can tell you monthly, my average target is around 2% every month.
Every month 2%. Okay.
Sometimes I get 1.5, sometimes I get 2, like that only.
Okay.
But in the year, it is around 15 to 20% I get that return based on my capital.
I see, got it. Okay. Okay.
So if I use the weekly chart, this much of returns I am getting only in stocks. Option trading is a different thing, that we have to sit in front of the screen and see it. But cash stocks will give you actually the more return as compared to options and any other things I have seen in my past 5 years experience.
So which one you said, sir?
The weekly charts.
The weekly charts, okay.
Yes, because they have a good number of volume in weekly charts. So I mostly buy on breakouts. As I have explained you, right? Once I take an entry here,
right,
I will exit my position here, and again I will wait for a breakout, and then again I will enter here. I will exit here again, and then wait for a breakout. So like that, step by step I go.
I see. Okay. Okay.
Because I don't want my capital to get stuck in those trades.
Correct. Right. Right. When the market goes in the reverse.
Because
Right.
we may not
Okay.
know. See, we can do some technical analysis on it. We cannot be 100% sure that market will give me profits all the time, right?
Right. Right. Right.
That is why the
Exactly. Yeah.
best way is I have chosen that I'll keep on exiting, and once it gives a breakout again, then I will take an entry.
Oh, okay. Okay. Right.
So I would suggest you to use 1 hour, 1 day, and 1 week time frame.
Okay. 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 So
Right.
which is scalping is which is the best one out of these three?
Scalping, scalping weekly chart is very good actually.
Okay.
Nobody will believe that weekly chart you can do scalping because most of the people are doing in 1 minute and 3 minutes, right? But I mostly do it. I mostly follow the weekly charts to do scalping,
Okay. Okay.
and I will explain you that setup also in the class. In
Okay.
that setup, I use Bollinger Band and pivot bars.
Okay.
So only two things I use, and I am
Okay.
getting a very good success ratio in that particular strategy.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So that strategy also I will explain you in detail how to use it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is clear. Hammer point is clear, right?
Yes. Yeah. I'm
At
clear
top,
on this one.
at the top,
Yes.
and at the bottom, right? And
Bottom.
see,
Correct.
and it is important to practice it actually because there are many types of hammers are formed in the market. At least 200 to 300 hammers are formed, but we have to choose only four.
Okay. Okay.
So once you practice it, it will come automatically from your experience.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Right. Right.
Right? Okay. So okay, this is clear, right?
So here in this chart, Gaurav, the last, the rightmost section, there is a candle formed, right? Like green color candle. If you come right.
Yeah, right.
Uh,
Which date you are saying?
no. There was one before it founded. I saw that. Okay. I think it's.
No, I can move back to the same place. So we were here only.
It is a different. I saw the top green candle, and then okay, here if you go here, maybe in the November, middle of November, December, middle of November,
Okay.
there's a candle.
Here, this candle you are talking about. This candle.
I there's a different characters. Even what I'm saying is that after that candle, that the hammer candle, there was one more candle formed, little bit more than that one. Should we consider that or not?
There are different use cases. That use case also I'll explain you how to use it actually. Okay. Let's say there is one
Okay.
hammer candle here is formed. Okay. And after
Right.
that, if you see one more hammer candle, okay, like this, right? You mean to say
Right.
like this, right? The similar
Exactly.
hammer
Right.
candle, but the size is bigger, right?
Exactly. Right. Right.
So in this, you have to consider the highest part among the candles and the lowest part among these two candles.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And if there are three candles, then also you should do it like that. The lowest part among all the three candles and the highest part among all the three candles.
Okay. Okay.
Because
And after this candle, there is a hammer candle. If there is any other like doji candle, any other candle formed in
then
the same
also
size?
you have to consider the highest among all those candles and lowest among all those candles.
Yes. Okay. Got it. Okay. Sounds good. Okay.
So the lesser the time frame, the lesser will be your profits. The higher
Right.
the time frame, the higher will be your profits. So here
Right.
I have shown you the daily chart. Means if a hammer is formed on a daily chart, the chances of getting profits are more. Right?
Okay. Right.
Here you have taken a short trade, let's say. So your previous swing low will be somewhere here, right?
Yeah.
Around 370.
Okay.
And we have
Yeah.
taken entry around 450 somewhere, right?
Okay.
So this is approximately 80 points, right?
Yeah. Right.
80 points in one quantity only.
Right. Right.
So, but for daily time frame, if you are taking in daily time frame, then you may have to wait for some days, maybe 3, 4 days or 5 days. But here you got in how many days? See, you may exit here also, but here also. See, the
Right.
time frame will be more. Time frame will be more, and profit will also be more.
Will be more. Okay.
You entered in January, and you exited in mid of February.
Right.
Approximately 1.5 months you have to wait, but your
1.5
profits
months.
come.
Good for some more. Okay.
So that is a good thing about swing trading.
Okay. Okay.
Because you can wait, because you are already confident about your setup, and then you can wait for some days actually.
Right.
Sometimes you may get within 1 2 days also. I have seen, if we see the weekly chart, then sometimes we may get in 1 or 2 days also.
Okay. 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 So always we should consider only the top, right, for exiting and entering and exiting, not the bottom of any candles, only the top.
Bottom, you can think, if you want to take a buy trade, then you can plan to take near the bottom,
Okay.
and at the top there are only certain rules. At the time only you should enter. So that rule I will tell you how to do that.
Okay.
But normally we should always buy near the lows.
Lower.
There are
Right.
two strategies: buy low, sell high, right?
Sell high. Correct.
And second is buy high,
Sell low.
sell higher.
I'm sorry. Sell higher. Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
So this everyone knows actually. Buy low, sell high.
Right.
This
Buy
everyone
low.
knows
Sell
how
high.
to do it. But this is a catch actually. Buy high and sell higher. So
Buy
this
low.
is basically, these are the momentum stocks which are already moving in the market.
Okay. Okay.
So if we consider these type of stocks, we can quickly take the entry and quickly book the profit within 1 or 2 days also many a times.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this I will teach you how to do it. This.
Right. Okay. Okay.
So first let's finish all the basics, and then I will teach you the strategies also.
It's okay.
Okay. So this is clear, right? Hammer.
Clear. The hammer is clear.
Uh, Sometimes we call it as a hanging man also. The hanging man will look like this. फांसी पे लटका हुआ आदमी, right? Like hanging man.
Right.
Sometimes this hammer will look like this also. So you don't have to worry. The same you have to consider. See, like this.
Right. Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
So this we can call it as a hanging man also.
The body will be less. The width will be very less compared to hammer.
Right.
Okay. That also we can consider the same as hammer.
This is a variety of hammer only. This is a variety of hammer, and this is a variety of doji candle also. So it's a mix of hammer and doji.
Okay.
But this you can consider as a part of hammer or doji also, because both the candles we have to trade in the same fashion.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Fine. So this is clear, hammer.
Hammer is clear. Yes. Even the reverse also the same, right? Reverse for hanging man.
Yes. Yes.
Also the same. Okay.
Okay. Let me see if I show you something. See, like this candles. If you see these kind of candles, right?
Yes. Yes.
These so many 5 or 6 candles are there, right?
Right. Right.
So in this, what you have to do, you have to consider the high among all the candles and low among all the candles.
Okay. Okay.
Like that, and then you have to plan your trades.
Correct. Okay.
So this basically called as accumulation.
Okay. Accumulation.
Because it is happening at the lower side.
Okay.
If the same thing happens at the top, then it is called as distribution.
Oh, distribution. Okay.
Means the big institutions they are planning to sell. Distribution means the big institutions are planning to sell, means they are selling small chunks, and here they are buying small chunks.
So that means that irrespective of the color of the candle, right?
Yes.
Color of the candle matter.
Color doesn't matter mostly here in this kind of scenarios. There are some other setups in which the color of the candle is important, but here color doesn't matter, because all the candles are like very small, right?
Right. Yeah. Okay.
So this is how we can use sometimes accumulation also, and sometimes distribution also.
Distribution. Okay. Sounds good. Okay.
See, there are many use cases which you can see considering the small candles. Right. Let me show you one more use case. See here, like in this scenario, if you see that there was a downtrend, and we can see one hammer here also, and then one hammer
Right.
here also, right?
Right.
And one hammer here also.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to consider this hammer. We will not consider this hammer because for a downtrend, we have to minimum consider 4 to 5 candles. But here we have only 1, 2, and 3 candles. So this hammer we will not consider here.
Oh, I see. Okay. Even for uptrend, downtrend, we have
Yes,
to wait for 4 or 5 candles.
minimum four. If they are minimum 4 or 5 candles, then only we will enter the trade.
Okay. Okay.
So here, once we see a hammer, we will be active, and then we will wait for the next candle. See, next candle is also hammer, right? So now we have to
Oh,
wait.
yeah.
Now we have to wait for the high to cross the high of this candle and the low of this candle
Okay. Okay.
to make an entry.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And this scenario also, right? Now this is called as base forming,
Right. Okay.
because the fall has stopped here, and it has started making few of the green candles, right? 4, 5 green candles are there, right? So that means it is forming a base.
Okay.
So here we can try to make an entry here, and our stop loss will be the low of this base,
Okay. Okay.
and our target will be huge in this case, the previous swing high here.
Correct. Okay.
So that is why daily chart and weekly chart will give you very good returns, but you have to wait for some time. So that is the only.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay, so hammer and use cases are clear, right?
Yeah. Hammer use case of clear. Yes.
Okay. Now we will move on to candle called doji.
Okay.
So any idea about this candle, doji candle?
So the candle is just like a small line with high and low.
Yeah. So this normally looks like this kind of plus sign, right? This normally looks
Right.
like this.
Plus sign. Correct. Okay.
So we call it as a indecisive candle. In
Okay. In this okay. We cannot take any decision based on these candles.
because this candle will itself says that buyers and sellers are equal.
Equal. Correct.
Top and low are they are equal. So that is why, and in this case also open price equals to close price. If there is a perfect doji, the open price will always be equal to close price.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So that is why it is called as indecisive candle.
Candles. Okay.
So there are two varieties, and apart from that, there are two more varieties of doji candle. Okay.
Okay.
One will look like this,
Okay.
and one will look like this.
Right.
T shape, and this is called as a reverse T shape. Okay.
Reverse teacher. Okay.
So this is called as dragonfly doji.
Dragonfly doji. Okay.
Dragonfly doji.
Okay.
And this one is
Gravestone, I think, right?
gravestone, right? Correct. This is gravestone.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this in this kind of candle, normally we take a short trades,
Okay.
and in this kind of candle, normally we take buy trades, right?
No. Okay. Okay.
And sometimes you may see a mix of hammer and doji also, right? So this T candle will be like this, and there will be a small wick also at the top sometimes,
Right. Right. Yeah. Okay.
and there will be a small body will also be there.
Right.
So like this, you can consider it at a hammer. That's
Right.
right. So how we
Okay.
have to trade the doji? We have to trade the doji in a similar manner we were using the hammer. Same thing. Once it crosses the
Okay.
high, we have to take a buy trade. Once it crosses the low, we have to take a short trade.
Okay. Okay.
I will show you some examples in the chart. See, these are all the doji candles, right? You can see perfect doji.
Yes. Correct.
So if I take my cursor on this doji, you can see the prices at the top right here.
Yeah.
So here you can see open price is 127.26 and close price is 127.17. Very nearby,
Right.
not much difference, right?
Yeah.
So that is one more sign of doji. Open price and close price will almost
Both
be.
sides. Okay. Okay.
So let's say you want to trade this doji, then how you have to use it? You have to just mark the high end of this candle
Okay.
and then wait for the breakout. If it crosses the high, you will take a buy trade, and if it crosses the low, you will take a short trade, right? And based on the
Okay.
time frame, let's say your time frame is let's say 15 minutes, then if you enter here, you can exit at the next candle only.
Next candle. Okay.
Here only you can exit. Right?
Okay. Okay.
And if you take a short trade, you can exit here only. Next candle you have to
Okay.
enter.
Right. Okay.
So similarly, if you are taking a daily chart, then you can wait for 3, 4, 5 candles, or based on the previous thing you can wait. But in 15 minutes chart, you have to exit very quickly.
Okay.
Okay. And here you can see at the top also, it's a kind of gravestone, right? A mix
Right.
of
Right.
hammer and a kind of gravestone, right?
Right.
So these candles are actually, they have a very good accuracy. These kind of candles.
Okay.
These kind of candles are formed at the top, they have a very good accuracy. So here you should take a short trade.
Okay. Irrespective of the color again.
Irrespective of color, and then you can take a short trade. And if you see a doji is formed again at the bottom, once you took a short entry here, and again you see after two candles the doji is formed, you should quickly exit your shorts.
Okay. Okay.
Because here it is saying indecision between buyers and sellers, right? Again a doji is formed here, that means there is a indecision again between buyers and sellers, right?
Right. Right.
So here if you see a doji is formed, quickly you should exit your short trade and wait for the next trade here.
Next trade. Okay.
So
Okay.
fear and greed should not come in your trades, right? You should follow only
Right.
the charts, only the discipline, profits,
Okay.
and losses. Because see,
Right.
the market is not going to end tomorrow or day after tomorrow, right? We will have a long time, right? So we can wait
Correct.
for the trades.
But only the short selling, it's a bit risky, right? Like where the market keeps going
Yes.
up,
Yes.
then we have to that little bit risky. Open, like we take a long position, that's good. We can wait for a couple of days or a week.
Yes,
But
yes.
short is little bit risky.
So normally I don't try to do short selling in the market. I don't want to take that risk because I am getting sufficient from my buy trade. So that is why I don't take that much of risk in short selling.
Okay. Okay.
Because once you have a big capital, then you will think that why to take so much risk. You will
Correct. Exactly. Correct.
earn money
Right.
slowly. Right.
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah. So here you can see again there is a consolidation going on, right? You can see the market has formed a range.
Right.
So now you have to wait for the range. Or if you are a scalper, you can buy here and you can exit here, or you can short here and do profits here. So like that you can do if you are a scalper. But if you are a positioner or a swing trader, you have to wait for a breakout or a breakdown in this range because this is a range market has formed.
Right. Okay.
So so below this you have to take a short trade and once it crosses here you have to take a buy trade. That's
Right. Okay. 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 Okay.
see there is one more candle similar to kind of gravestone, but it has a body, right?
Yeah. Okay. So this is called the gravestone.
Gravestone, but it's a mix of hammer because we have a body here also, right? Normally,
Body too.
normally in gravestone there is no body.
Correct. Exactly.
So it's a
And
mix
hammer
of.
does not have so much big wick, right? That's how.
So that is why
Okay.
we can consider it's a mix of hammer and gravestone. Good.
The
But we
gravestone.
should
Okay.
trade, but we have to trade this candle.
Okay. Okay.
So what we will do, we will mark the high and low, and then we will trade based on the prices. Okay,
So the
this
previous side did not come here, right? So when we
yeah,
went to start that, take the trade.
yeah. So the important thing is the first step is important. What is that? We have to learn how to identify that candle. We should identify the correct candle. Then only we
Okay.
can take the correct trade, right? Once the candle is
Right.
correct, then only we can take the correct trade. As
Right.
as as we may get stuck in the trade, right?
Correct. Yeah.
See, two small candles are there, right?
Right.
Mostly kind of doji you can say, or mostly kind of hammer you can say, because body is there, right, in both the candles,
Yes.
small
Right.
body. But these are
Right.
very very small. Both the candles are very small. Then
Right.
what we have to do here? We have to high and low, right?
No. Okay. Right.
And then we have to see the trade where it goes.
Previous cross high. Previous current.
High among those two candles and low also among these two candles.
Okay. So where do you take the trade?
Here, once it crosses the low of this price, then we will take a short trade, and once it crosses the high of this candle, then we will take a buy trade.
Right. Okay. And the stop loss will be here. Like the stop loss,
The
I know,
top.
but the target.
See, you can enter here and target. You can. I have explained, based on the risk reward ratio, you can identify, or you can identify based on the candles here. See here, you can see a kind
Previous
of
stop is it?
this
Okay.
candle. You can see, similar to gravestone, right? So
Right.
you can
Okay.
try to exit in this area.
Okay. So how do we take this that inverted the red candle? How did you identify?
Which one?
There
This
were
one.
other candles also.
This is gravestone, na?
Okay.
This is a kind of gravestone doji, right? Means
Yes. Yes.
means the sellers went down from here, right? So that is
Correct.
a kind of.
Correct.
So that is why I have taken this area as a target,
Okay.
because
Okay.
we don't
I
see
see.
any other swing low here, or you have
Yes.
to wait for this area.
Okay. Okay.
So two areas are there for you.
Right. Right.
Uh, See, sometimes the previous swing high and previous swing low will be clearly visible, and sometimes it may not be
Yes.
visible clearly. So you have to consider any one important candle out of that.
Okay. Okay.
Let's say if you short here, then you have this area, right, at the previous swing low. You can wait till here
Okay.
if you take in a short position here, right? But here,
Right. Right.
if you take, we don't have any previous swing high available here, right? Only
Correct.
this thing is here.
Correct. Okay.
So if you have waited till here, you may have exited within a day or two. But for here, you may have to wait for a longer time.
Okay. So that looks like a fake candle, right? Like a big long one. Is it like a
Ah,
fake or is it
this is a fake out actually. This is a fake
fake
out,
out?
because normally the gravestone doji we will try to take a short position, but as we have discussed it, high and low we have to wait. So here, if you have waited for a high, then it is correct. But blindly, many experienced traders like me also, if there is a gravestone doji formed, then we will take a short trade blindly.
No. Okay. Okay.
So, but
Okay.
this was a fake. This was a fake candle, so the stop loss will get hit you in this scenario.
Right. Right. Okay. Okay.
So some trades, as we are experienced traders, so some trades we will take based on our experience also.
Right. Right. Correct.
Once you
Based on
learn
the
it,
past.
once you keep on practicing, once you have experience for 2, 3, 4 years of experience, then also you will like just see the candle, and then quickly you will decide what you have to do, whether you have to enter the trade or you have to exit the trade. So that will
Right.
come.
Right.
That will come automatically in your brain actually.
Yes. Okay. Right. Right. Gaurav, do you use AI tools? AI training, like you have the help of AI?
No,
No, right. There are
I
many
just
tools come
follow.
in the market, right?
There are many market. They are selling it. They are mainly for business purpose only. So I don't buy anything. I just
Okay.
I just bought some scanners actually. I have created some screeners for Indian stock market, so which I have purchased. I pay around 750 per month, 750 rupees per month for that scanner,
Oh,
because
okay.
that will help me to filter out the stocks, and out of that, let's say that scanner is giving me 15 stocks, so I have to see only 15 stocks, right? But if I
Okay.
don't have a scanner, then I have to see many charts, right? 50 or 100,
Right.
like it's difficult.
Correct. Okay. Okay.
So if you are getting a chance to buy some scanners or screeners, then I think you can do it. But software and all, I don't think AI and all will work in this market, because many of the
Okay.
institutions, they are using algo trading and all, right?
I'll got the correct exactly. Yeah.
And there are many smart money concepts that I will teach you. So those are very very high level of concepts that mostly the institutions and the persons who are having very big capital, like 50 crores, 100 crores, 500 crores, they use those
Okay.
concepts to buy the stocks actually.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So if you know those smart money concepts now, then you don't need any kind of algo and all, because those concepts only they will use in algo trading.
Oh, okay. Right. Okay.
Okay, so this is clear, right? Hammer and doji.
Yeah, this is clear. Yes.
Okay. So apart from that, we have many other single candle patterns, like I've told you, bullish Marabuzu, bearish Marabuzu, right? But
Yeah.
normally we
Yeah.
will not use it for trading purpose. We will try to use only the hammer and doji, because these are kind of reversal patterns or kind of indecisive candles.
Okay.
And these candles are having more accuracy as compared to bullish Marabuzu and bearish Marabuzu.
Okay.
So those two candles, bullish and bearish Maruboku, we should try to use only with a combination of two or three candles.
Okay.
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 So now we will talk about some patterns which we have to see more than one candles.
Okay.
Okay, this candle is called as bullish
Bullish
engulfing.
engulfing.
So do you know about anything about this candle, bullish engulfing?
The engulfing, as far as what I understand, is the next candle will be like the top and bottom, which should be more than the previous one.
So engulfing means this candle will cover this candle fully.
Fully. Okay.
The, then we will think that it's a bullish.
That should include the body only, or also we can consider the wick, the second candle.
Both, both.
Both. Okay.
The full candle. We have see the candle is full. See the body means, see, if you think about a human being, right? We have to consider from head to foot, right?
Correct. Yes.
Similarly, the candle also we have to consider from the head, like the top wick till
Okay.
the lower.
Bottom. Got it. Got it. Okay. Got it. Okay.
So this is bullish engulfing. One, see, you can trade this candle as a kind of hammer also, hammer or doji, because after a downtrend we can see this candle, right? Kind of.
Right. Yes.
But
Right.
for double confirmation, we will sometimes use bullish engulfing. So after this
Okay.
small red candle, there should be a big green candle which should cover the previous candle, and then only we will take a trade here.
Okay. Okay. Right.
So we will try to enter once it crosses the high of the third candle. Actually, here we will enter basically on the third candle.
Okay.
The high price it crosses, then we will take our entry. And
Okay.
this is a very big candle, so our stop loss will be here 50%.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So 50% stop loss is the concept which is used by smart money.
Okay.
Right? So they mostly
50%.
use it in algo trading.
Algo trading. Okay.
See here, you can see the third candle went here, but it didn't close it. It came towards the upside, right? Yeah.
Right. Right. Right.
So you have to wait for a candle close actually.
Okay.
Then you will get confirmation.
Okay.
So here you will entry. Your stop loss will be in like 50%, and then target you can decide the previous swing high like this.
Okay. Okay. So take trade on the third candle, right? Not the first, second one. As soon as if your second is completed, but they can take the trade.
But sometimes they will form small candles also here. Then you may not get a third candle. You may have to wait for fourth or fifth or sixth candle.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But we have to wait for the high to close. Then only we will take the bite.
Okay. Okay.
So this green candle is a confirmation for us actually.
Okay.
If you are a risky trader, then you can even enter here also.
Okay. Okay.
So depends. See, totally depends on your risk appetite. How much risk you are willing to take.
Right. Right. So after that, chances are there it might also go down, right? After the red candle,
Yes, it can go. See, even after this also, it can go down. We don't
go down, right?
So that is why we always should use the stop losses.
We should wait for the engulfing candle and then take the trade in the next when the crosses to the engulfing candle.
Yes, right.
Okay.
To find this kind of bullish engulfing.
Yeah, bullish engulfing is good.
And this mostly try to trade only once it is formed at the bottom only. Don't try to use it at the top.
Okay, okay. So engulfing it can also come up, right? It's reverse engulfing or something like.
We have bearish engulfing. So this is formed at the top.
Okay.
So in this we have a small green candle and a big red candle will cover this green candle.
Okay.
And then once it crosses the low of this candle, see like this here.
Right, yes. Okay.
Once it crosses the low, we can take a short trade and our target will be the previous swing low.
Previous swing low.
Target.
Okay.
See here in the chart also I have taken a snapshot from a chart. Here also I have shown the bearish and swing, right?
Okay.
So once it comes down, you can take a short position here and you can exit.
The exit here. Okay.
First target is like second target, so like that. So it depends on you, like how many targets you can wait.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So your experience, like the first, if you exit completely, or like like stage by stage, which has more success rates?
See, success rates are the same. It totally depends on your psychology, how your psychology works actually.
Okay.
Right. So my psychology works that way that once I will exit and then I will enter again.
Okay. So you don't wait for that. Okay. Got it.
So that is why you should know all the scenarios, like in what all scenarios you can exit, and based on your psychology, you can try to set that thing for you.
Right. Okay.
Because for some persons, the breakout may work. For some persons, the chunks selling in chunks may work, right? And for some persons, the trailing stop loss may work, right?
Correct. Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Find this clear bearish
and bearish engulfing is good. Yeah.
Okay. And then we will talk about some patterns also, like multiple candles, like more than 10 to 15 or maybe 50 candles also. Right? So there are some patterns. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So do you have any idea about breakout and breakdowns?
Yes, breakout is when when it's reverse here. If you say like there is a uptrend, then it's a downtrend. It's the correction, right? This is called a correction, and then it crosses the previous high, then it's a breakout.
I will show you directly on chart.
When there's a higher high form, then it's a breakout, right?
Yeah. See, there is this scenario here. You can see that this area, right? There was some resistance area. You can see this area, right?
Right.
After that, the stock went down, and then it tried to came up here. So this is basically a breakout candle, green candle.
Breakout. Right. Okay.
Because there was a lot of resistance.
Correct.
The stock consolidated a lot. After that, it came down, and then here it gave a breakout. So breakout has to be given by a big green candle.
Okay.
So normally the percentage will matter here, like what part percentage is is crossing the resistance. So here you can see that 70-80% is on the top and
Right.
20% at the bottom of this green candle.
Okay.
Right? That means it is a good.
Right.
It can be in a different
Okay.
way also like this.
Okay.
If it is more than if the lower bottom is more than 60% and don't consider it as a breakout, it may be a
Okay.
fake breakout also.
Oh, I see. Got it. Okay. Okay.
So either 50-50
Or more than 50
or more than 50 at the top.
at the top. Okay.
After the resistance, it should be at the top. The candle
Okay.
should have
Okay.
crossed more than 50%, at
Okay.
least
Okay.
50%. Then only you will consider it as a confirmation breakout.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So once it takes a breakout, and then you can wait for a target's previous high.
Okay. Okay.
See, breakouts are perfect to trade. They have a very good accuracy. If you are clear about the breakout candles, like the percentage, right?
Yes.
More
Yes.
than 50%, then the breakouts are very good. They are having a very good accuracy actually.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
this
that
was
will be kind of an aggressive trade, right? Should we wait for the consolidation of the reverse correction phase, or we can take the right trade there itself?
take. See, for swing trade, what I normally do, I will take a entry here only, and if the stocks tries to come down or tries to come a retest here, then I will add one some more quantities.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Because
So how
sometimes
do you consider that when you take the trade there? Like what is the confirmation you have that will go up?
the confirmation is only like two confirmation which I have expected. मार्केट में काफी सारे चार्ट्स हैं, काफी सारे पैटर्न्स हैं और काफी सारी कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न्स भी हैं और काफी सारी स्ट्रेटजीज भी हैं। अब इतने सारे चार्ट पैटर्न्स और कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न्स याद रखना फिजिबल नहीं है, तो इसलिए हम चैट जीपीटी एआई टूल का यूज कम वॉइस में देखना भैया, इसको बस कर लिया।
Hi, Gaurav. Are you able to hear me?
AI, I can't hear you. I process information from the text you type.
Good, right? Are you able to hear me properly? Okay.
Your video is coming off actually.
I'm sorry?
Your video is coming off.
Okay, so 1 second. Let me stop this. Nothing better, right?
Yeah. Okay. So, any doubts from the previous session? Do you have any doubts from the previous session, or you want to ask anything?
Yes. Can we go to IBM, because IBM, the market is still there. I just want to know.
You mean the stock in the trading view, right?
In the trading view, right?
Okay, 1 second. I'll just share my screen.
Okay.
IBM first one, right?
IBM, right? Yeah. So you are put in the 1 day view, right?
Yes, it's a 1 day.
Okay. So I just was looking for 30 minutes. Is it 1 day better, Gaurav, or is it 30 minutes better for scalping, or like 1 day, same day trading?
See, intraday, I would suggest you can try 1 hour also.
Okay.
Because sometimes in a 1 day time frame, you may have to wait for a couple of days.
For 1 day, right?
If you are choosing 1 day time frame, you may have to wait for a couple of days to take profits. So,
okay, correct.
So 1 hour is good, I think.
1 hour is good. Okay.
Yes.
How about 30 minutes? 30 minutes is okay.
30 minutes and 1 hour mostly are the same. The only difference is the volume.
The volume. Okay.
Yeah. In 30 minutes, sometimes there are some manipulation, but in 1 hour, chances of manipulation are very, very less.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. Okay.
And what you can do is that if you want to trade on 30 minutes or 1 hour, you can choose a price action. There's a strategy called price action strategy. So
okay.
What we normally do in this, we will try to check the prices, right? If the price is open equals to low, then we will take a buy trade. And if price equals to high, then we will try a short trade.
Open is equal to low, open is equal to high. Okay.
Yes.
The next candle you mean?
See, this you can try on 30 minutes as well as on 1 hour.
Okay.
For kind of scalping and intraday. So, but what we have to do is that, like in India, the market opens at 9:15, right? So,
right.
1 hour or 30 minutes, we normally check around like 9:15, and then again 9:45, and then again at 10:15. So at a gap of half an hour, right? Because I want to see a candle of half an hour, and
Right.
and if I want to see a candle of 1 hour, then I will check at 9:15, and then at 10:15, and then
Okay.
like that I will check in India. So there,
Okay.
at what time market opens there?
Here 9:30.
9:30. Yeah. So if you want to trade 30 minutes, then maybe first candle you can check around 9:30, then 10
Okay.
o'clock, then 10:30. Like
Okay.
whatever time you wish to take the trade, you can choose among from these time frames.
Okay. So that means that 9:30 means 9 to 9:30 the first candle.
No. 9:30 the market
9.
opens, right? So you have to just try at 9:30 only. So,
9:30 to 10 candle, the first candle.
9:30 to 10 candle, but you have to initiate your trade around 9:32 or 9:33 like that.
Okay. That based on the previous candles.
Yes, and the same candle will start forming at 9:30. Okay, so at the same time you have to see whether the price open is equal to low or not at 9:30, and then you can take a trade at 9:32 around 9:32.
Okay, I see.
Let's say the open and low equals to 100, right? So you can take a trade at 9:32 around, I think it may come around 102 or 101, something like that, and then your stop loss will be very less in this case. Your stop loss will be 99.5, something like that.
5. Can you show an example?
Yes,
like
yes.
open is equal to low or
Yes.
open is equal to 5.
Yes, I'll show you. See this candle.
Sorry, I'm not seeing it. Which one?
1 second, I'll just mark it.
Means increase and decrease in current asset and current liability. So for that rule is there that you have to add decrease in current asset and add increase in current liability. Like current assets we learned like in funds flow also, no? Same. Stock, debtors, except cash won't come here. We will not include cash there in current asset. We will do it in the last. So mainly we have for current assets, stock, debtors, prepaid expenses, or any kind of accrued income to be received. That all will come in current asset. So you will compare the 2 years data. They will give you 2 years data, and you will find whether there is increase or decrease. And the opposite will be subtracted. Increase in current liability and increase in current asset. After doing this decrease, you will get cash generated from operations. This increase in this figure, operating profit, you get cash generated from operations. And then you have to subtract the income tax paid. Last step is to do the income tax paid. You have to subtract. Then you get the cash flow from operating. So this is the whole process for operating activity. So all these steps you have to do. First step is this, then do this plus minus thing for non-cash, non-operating items. You get this, then you do the working capital changes, you get this, then you do the income tax subtraction, you get the whole lot. This is for cash flow from operating activity. Then after this, the second activity you have to write investing activity. For investing activity,
And so let educate them about the stock market and all, right? So there are many
Okay.
lot of people they want to learn trading, right? We have
Oh, okay.
like daily workers, right? Like I used to go to a saloon. There is one person who wants to learn trading. So
Oh, nice. Okay.
and there is one electrician who comes in our apartment. He also wants some kind of financial literacy and he want to invest for a family
Oh,
member or a kids. So all those things keep
okay.
on going in parallel.
Okay, okay. That's nice.
Yeah. Okay. So Vijay, I have updated all the files in Google Drive. You will be able
For some
to.
reasons, I was not able to. One class I was able to view, but the rest actually I'm not able to get it.
Okay, one second.
Maybe for
Check.
to.
1 second. Let me check. Because I think the access should be given to all full folder, correct?
Yeah, full folder, but looks like only one folder I'm able to view. That video is good, the second video, but the rest, the class, that is class 2. Maybe if you want to share one by one, maybe.
Enhancing activity means show of shares, show of
I
ventures,
see the class 1, class 1, class 2, but it's all disabled and I'm not able to open it.
using Chrome,
It's in the folder, but
from this all concept.
Can you check now?
And take
Wait, check. Yeah, I'm just trying to check now.
one second. Location, same location, right?
Yes, yes.
reduction of debentures, repayment of loan, then it will come. So then when you added this, and then you have to this, so to find the total cash flow increase or decrease during the year, you will add all the three operations A, B, C.
So when I open it, it is opening the class, and then when I go to click on the
If the
folder
answer is coming positive, after
Yeah.
adding all three,
and go to
that
all
means there is increase
locations
in
and
cash flow.
then select share
If it is
with
very
me.
negative, that means
Okay,
there
there are
is
That's how I do that.
decrease in cash
there are
flow.
4 files in that folder.
And the last step is to add the opening balance of cash balance and the display. That you have to take from the question opening balance of cash in hand, cash in bank, and any market securities. That you have to add here.
So that is
And the
class 1,
final
part
answer
1,
you will
part
get
2, part 3, and class 2,
closing
part 1, right?
Yes, correct.
closing balance also.
Yeah,
you
but
can
it's all
input.
disabled for you. When I click it, nothing is happening.
So in cash flow,
Cannot
there
select
is self
just because it is not in a folder. It's not a folder.
because the answer that is closing balance of cash and cash equivalents is
Access.
also given in the question.
If I share, which one you are able to
If
see?
you are getting the same
Class
answer, that
2.
will
I am
be
able to. I am able to view.
but you have to do all this to explain why was this change from opening balance to closing balance. What all were the reasons? This all
Sorry,
the reasons.
my internet is slow today.
And for this step, that profit before tax, the profit will be given to you, and you have to add certain things back. Which are those things? Like general reserve,
I am able to see class 2, part 2.
Okay, and apart from that, none of them is visible.
Not visible. So this is the only folder which I have access. Even in this file MP4 file. Class 2, part 2.
I have just sent you one more link. Can you try to access that one?
Yeah, sure. I have to send it from my WhatsApp to Gmail account and then I'm opening it.
You can open your web WhatsApp also on your laptop.
Yeah. I have this ready. So this one is part one. Sorry, class one, part three.
This you are able to see.
Yeah, this I'm able to see. So I think you can share one by one product with the meeting.
Share your link and see if you can see everything there.
So this probably is now right 3:47. This only has for 3 minutes and 47 seconds.
So which
The
one?
one you shared, the one you shared right now, it is has the time limit of 3:47, 3 minutes 47 seconds.
No, the one I have shared just now, it's the folder link.
Now when you open the first one, class one, part three, the video, full video is only for 3 minutes.
Do you have any other email ID?
Email ID I shared with you, right? rjsraj@yahoo.com.
That I have given the access. Apart from that, any other email ID you have?
You can maybe share vijcanada@gmail.com. VIJI Canada@gmail.com.
VIJI.
Canada, CANADA @gmail.com.
Now can you access the one which I have just sent you through your new email ID, the one which you have given just from that email ID?
Okay, now it looks good.
Maybe because of Yahoo, maybe some.
Right. Yeah. Yeah, this looks good.
Okay, that's fine.
Four files, right?
Yeah.
Class one, part one, part two, part three, and then class two, part one. And earlier, I think you sent part two.
Your part, class 2, part 2, I am just uploading now. You may get another class.
Okay, all right. Yeah, this looks good.
Okay. So are there any doubts from the previous session?
Good, Gaurav. So far, so good.
Okay. So we finished some patterns, right? Yesterday we discussed some patterns, correct?
Yes, patterns with least finished RSS, right?
So
And M formation, W formation.
right. Okay. So you told me to tell about the moving averages also, right?
Yes, correct. Exponential and simple both.
Right.
So which is widely used, Gaurav? Like is both of them, or is it like one of them?
I use a simple moving average because
Okay.
that indicator is embedded in Bollinger Bands. I normally use
Okay.
Bollinger Bands, and Bollinger Bands already has that SMA inbuilt, so that is why I use.
Oh, I see. Okay. And what is the like range you can keep it? Now you're going to show it.
Yeah, I'll show you also. I'll show you Bollinger Band also along with the moving
Okay.
average that both the
Okay.
indicators will be done in one.
Okay.
Okay, so once you go to indicators and if I type here Bollinger Band, then you can use from here Bollinger Band. Right?
Okay. Right.
And we are going to use the default settings. So whatever the Bollinger Band has the default settings, we are going to use that. I'll show you the default settings. So they are using 20, 20 days single moving average.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So we are going to use the same settings. We are not going to change anything in this settings.
So this 20 is irrespective of the whatever the day frame we choose, right? 1 hour, 30 minutes, 1 day.
Yes. See, if we are choosing 1 hour, that means it will be 20 moving average on an hourly basis. If we are selecting
Okay.
1 day, that will be like 20 SMA on a daily basis.
Okay. Okay. 20 candles average, right? That's the meaning.
20 candles, yes. If it is 15 minutes, then last 20 candles, right? That's correct.
Okay.
Okay, so Bollinger Band. First, I'll talk about the Bollinger Band. So Bollinger Band has three medians. Okay, the middle one is called the middle median, upper median, and lower median. Right,
Okay.
and middle median is basically 20 SMA, as I have shown you in the settings. Right, so middle one
Okay.
is
Okay.
average. Right.
Okay. Okay.
So normally in Bollinger Band, the stock or if you say any index or any instrument will try to move within these range only.
Okay.
Right. So that is why the lower Bollinger Band we consider as the demand zone and the upper Bollinger Band we consider as the supply zone.
Okay. Demand and supply. Okay.
And apart from that, the lower Bollinger Band we can consider kind of support
Okay.
and upper Bollinger Band kind of resistance.
Okay.
So this is the only indicator which is having actually Bollinger Band plus moving average, support and resistance, and demand and supply. Four indicators
Okay.
are actually inbuilt in this one indicator. So that is why
Okay.
the accuracy of this indicator is good because it is already using four indicators.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. So this is the demand zone and this is the supply zone. So whenever the stocks tries to come touch the lower band, after that it will get some kind of demand and it will start moving towards the upside rate.
Okay.
So apart from that, if the price is here, I'll show you in chart now. Okay, I'll explain you in chart.
Yeah.
So let's see this use case in this scenario. This is the scenario, right? It is near the lower Bollinger Band, right? So
Right.
now this is the demand zone or a support zone. So
Support.
whenever the stock bounces from here, it will try to go first near the middle line and then the upper median.
Upper medium. Okay.
So if the stock price is here, then this will work as resistance 1, the middle line will work as resistance 1 and the upper median will work as resistance 2.
Okay.
Now we have two resistance here, R1 and R2, right?
Yeah.
The similar way we were using pivot points, right? The
Yeah.
similar way here also. The price is here, then we have two resistance. R1 is the middle line and R2 is the upper line.
Right. Right. Right.
And if the price is at the top here, then we will have two support area, S1 and S2.
Oh, right. Okay.
Okay. So if mostly we should try to take a short trade here. Whenever the price is near the upper median, we should try to take a short position, right?
Okay.
And once we
Right.
take a short position, our first target should be the S1 and second target should be S2.
Just. Okay.
Similarly, here also, when we are taking a buy position near this area, then our first target should be the middle line and the second target would be the upper median, right?
Okay. Okay.
So,
But here also, like the first you're taking the support zone as S1. Like, what happens if the making market moves on the other side? Yes.
so that use case also I will explain you. So this is the first use case.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the first use case in this. So normally how I trade, if I take a buy trade here, then I will exit here on
Okay.
on the resistance one, and then if gives a breakout from here, then I will again enter and try to exit here.
Okay. Okay.
So you can exit your position in chunks, or if you want, you can carry your position till upper median. So that is up to you how you want to use it. Okay.
Okay.
So
And here we don't need to see the hammer, right? The hammer or any other candle.
that you have to apply every whatever setup you are using, you can apply all your knowledge in one setup. If you apply all your knowledge in one setup, then you will be getting a good accuracy.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah. If you see a hammer at the support, then that means the accuracy of the trade will be more.
Will be more. Okay. Double confirmation.
And same thing, if you see the hammer at the top, the accuracy will be more. You can get a double confirmation.
Okay.
So whatever the previous knowledge we have discussed, that anyways you have to apply everywhere.
Right. Okay. Got it.
So this is one of the use case, right?
Right.
Second use case is you are seeing somewhere the band is very narrow and some places the band is very wide, right?
Yes.
So let's see this. In this area you can see that the band is very narrow, right? This area.
Okay.
So this says that the stock is in a sideways movement.
Okay. Where is an arrow?
Narrow. The band is narrow. That means the stock
Right.
is going
Yes. There's no volatility.
sideways. Yes. So we don't have to take the trade in that. If you want to do scalping, then you can use the first use case and do the scalping, like buy here, exit here, or short here and exit here, like that you can do. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
once this squeeze is over, the band will open like
Expand.
expand
Right.
like.
Okay. Okay.
The price is near the lower Bollinger Band, the price will start moving towards the downside.
Okay. Okay.
So once the price start moving toward downside, then you can take a short trade.
Okay. So expand only happens when it is like upward trend or downward trend.
Yes.
Suddenly there's upward or downward.
Mostly the expand happens, if you see, mostly there will be a narrow band before it starts any uptrend or downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
If there is a narrow thing, then you can think that after some time there has to be a breakout or a breakdown.
Break. In the left hand side there is a break up, upward break.
Yeah, right. So the price will be moving like this.
Okay.
With band. The price will be moving with the band, right?
Okay. Yes.
You should not exit your position until the price is with the band. Once the price leaves the band, then you can exit your position.
Okay. Okay.
Right? You can see, right? All the candles are getting formed at the band only, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So if you take a short position here, you have to carry your position and see in this candle the price left the band, right? This candle.
Okay. Right.
So at that time you can exit your short position.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so this is the second use case. This second use case is clear to you?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. This also applies when it's going upward also. Same rule applies.
See, same thing here also. There was a band was narrow here, right?
Yeah.
See, the more time the band is narrow, the more chances of breakout or breakdown.
Okay. Okay.
See, here there was a breakout. You can enter here, and you have to be in the trade until the price leaves the band here.
Okay. Okay.
Or sometimes, what will happen whenever there is a breakout, right? The price will start moving there. Okay. It will try to touch this line, the middle one, which is 20 SMA, and after that again it will start moving towards the outside like that. So it
Okay.
will keep on moving, and it will do a average at the middle line. Most of the time
Okay.
it will come to average the price near 20 SMA, and then it will again bounce back and start moving towards the upside.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Okay, so there are three scenarios in this. So you have to trade the Bollinger Band in like three conditions. See this area also, right? You can see the band was narrow for a lot of time, right?
Yes. Yeah.
After that,
Yes,
next
yeah.
day it opened a gap up.
Right. Yeah.
It closed around 222 and it opened at 2
Two.
somewhere.
Yeah, 270, 40, 50 something.
Somewhere like $30 to $35. It gave a gap,
Went
right?
up.
Because of
Right,
the
yeah.
reason that it was in a narrow range for quite a long time.
Right, right.
So this narrow band accuracy is quite good. 70-80% you will get the good rates in this.
Okay.
Okay, but try to use it on a longer time frame, like 1 hour, 1 day, or 1 week.
Wonderful. Okay.
Right. I will show you one more use case in this. The price will try to average the price, and then it will move up again. See, this scenario there was a breakout here. Right? It went up, it came down to average the price, and then again it started move up.
Correct.
After
Correct.
that, it came down.
Yes.
Okay. So the use of moving average is only like the price will go up and try to touch it back again, try to average the price, and then after that it will start moving it again.
Okay.
So this moving average, whenever the price is near the upper band, you have to consider this moving average as a support, and whenever the
Okay.
price is near the lower band, this moving average you have to consider as a resistance.
Resistance one. Resistance one. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So the here which is moving average. All the three lines are called moving average.
No, no, no. This is the moving average. Okay, the middle one is the moving average. 20 days moving average. They are the
Oh,
medians
the
actually. They are a part of medians of Bollinger Band.
all is average. Okay. Okay.
So
So what is the difference between the exponential and simple moving average?
see, exponential sometimes gives you a false breakout because it moves quite fast.
Oh, is it? Okay.
So if you have taken 10 trades, then maybe it will give you a false breakout, and you will get stuck in the trades. But the SMA is as compared to EMA, so it only gives you the correct signals most of the times.
Correct. Okay. Okay.
But sometimes the signals are late. That is fine, we can wait, but the signal has to be correct.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So that is why I don't use EMA. I mostly use SMA only.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And
Okay.
apart from this 20 SMA, there you can use it as an individual also. Or you can use 10 days moving average. 20 days is still available in Bollinger Band, and then 50 days moving average. So they are important moving averages actually, 100 and 200.
So which should we use for
For
1 day
200,
and
200 you can use it for investment purpose. Whenever a blue
for
chip
me?
stock is coming near the 200 moving average, then you can buy it for long-term investments.
Long term. But for me, it will be mostly day or it will be like what day trading or scalping.
Okay, then you can use 10-20. See,
10 and 20.
200 SMA, you can use it for intraday also, but you have to wait for 15 minutes.
So intraday 15 minutes, 200.
But best is Bollinger Band only. Best is if you want to do scalping and intraday, best is to use Bollinger Band because it has already everything in that.
Okay. Okay. Right. Okay.
I will not suggest you to use individual moving average, but I will explain you how it works.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
This is I will.
So better like or for 1 hour, like what should we use? 30 minutes, 1 hour? Like is it like 20 should be good or we should keep more than 20?
You use Bollinger Band only. You can keep on changing the time frame, but use Bollinger Band always.
Okay. Okay.
Because see, the Bollinger Band upper median and middle median and the lower median will get adjusted automatically based on the time frame you are using.
Okay.
You don't have to change it manually every time. You just need to change the here time frame. You need to change. There's like 15 minutes. It is showing like this, right?
Okay.
It's a kind of a
Is there any settings in Bollinger which one we should use?
no. You use it by default. You don't make any changes in that. So that's a standard
Okay.
setting. Yes.
What is the default? Is it 20?
Yes, 20. See, if you go here in settings, it is showing 20 length.
20. Okay.
The
Simple
20.
moving average.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Okay.
So based on the time frame you are choosing, the Bollinger Band will get it adjusted automatically.
Automatically. So okay. Sounds good.
And one day it is showing like this, and if you select 1 week, it will show different.
Right.
See, you see in weekly, it is near the. You can see that it is near the middle
Middle. Okay.
band, which is a kind of demand zone because the price is here.
Right. Right. Hmm.
It may bounce from here.
Bounce. Okay.
So
Okay.
like you can see all the time frames here.
Okay. Okay. So in the center, can we take a trade in the blue line when it is in the center?
No, always try to take the rate if either it is upper median, middle median or lower median. Don't try to trade in the middle. So like
Okay.
here, then don't take the trade. Here, no
Right.
trade.
Okay.
Only the trading zone is at the upper median. Whenever the price is near the medians, whether it's upper median, middle median or lower median, that's
Lower
the best
median,
time to enter the trade.
Right. Okay. Okay.
And in the middle, don't take any trade.
Okay. Right.
Okay. So I will show you how to plot the moving averages. So there is a 15 minutes time frame, right? So now I am going to choose the moving average. So here, moving average. See, here you will see two options: moving average exponential and moving average simple.
Simple. Right.
Let's select moving average exponential here. Okay. So it will show you single line here.
Right. Okay.
What you have to do in this case, whenever the price is crossing the line towards the upside, then you have to take the buy trade. See, this
Oh, when it is. Okay.
See, in the scenario, you can see the price is below and now it has crossed this line, right? So now you can take a buy trade here.
Okay. Okay.
And your stop loss will be here, the lower of this line, and target, like if you are scalping, you can consider some points or based on the previous swing.
Previous swing. Okay. Okay.
But the accuracy of this single moving average is very less. The price, sometimes the price will, you can see that sometimes the price will keep on moving up and down like this.
Correct. Yes.
Then you may not be able to decide what to do in that scenario.
Correct. Okay. Only when it clearly crosses the line, then we take it.
Yes. So what you have to do in this case, what you can do, let's say this moving average, this is showing 9. So let's say I will take this as 20 EM. Okay. Now what I will do, I will add one more moving average. So actually this is a free version, so it will allow only to add only the maximum of 3 indicators. Now I have removed everything. Now it will allow me to add one more indicator.
Okay.
So now I will add this 10. Okay. So first one I have added at 20 EMA and now this one I am adding it 10 EMA.
10. Okay.
Change the color so that we can segregate it.
Right.
Okay. Now we have 2 lines. Right and left line. So
Right.
this 20 EMA and that is 10 EMA. Right?
10. Yeah.
So now what we can do is that whenever there is a crossover, at that time we can take the trade.
Okay. So any emission. Yeah. Red crossover or blue crossover, both of them we can take.
First is like once the red crosses blue line towards the upside and the price has to be up only.
Okay.
So there are two rules. First rule is the line should cross the blue line towards the upside and second is the price has to be up like from both the lines here.
Oh, okay. Right.
Then you can take a buy trade.
Okay. Okay.
And then you can ride it until like previous swing high or until the red line crosses blue line towards the downside.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. So here in this scenario we have to take the trade only whenever there is a crossover.
Crossover. Okay.
Without crossover we will not take any trade.
Okay.
Let me see. And whenever there is a short, see here you can take the short trade here.
Okay.
Whenever the red line crosses blue line towards the downside and the price has to be below this line.
Below this line.
Price has to
Okay.
be below both the lines. That means there is a downtrend. And here
Okay.
you can take a short trade and then you can move on. Like see, you can
Oh, I
see
see.
a good move in shorting.
Down. Yeah, yeah.
So
It's gap down, right?
So similarly, I have got a 10-20. You can even plot 50 and 100 combination of 50 and 100, or you can plot 20 to 50 a combination, or 100 and
Okay.
200 EM also. You can use
For,
the combo.
oh, that's for investment, is it?
No, like in 15 minutes, you can use it for trading also.
Oh, I see. Okay.
That means because in some stocks you may see that line sometimes. Let me show
Okay.
you. It's 200. Let's use it 200. This one. See now here you can see that it is crossing, right? The price is below,
Oh,
and then here it is crossing. You can take a short trade here, like this.
okay. Okay.
And buy trade we have to see here. Here you can take a buy trade. It is crossing, right?
Yeah, yeah. So this one is more clear, right? Like it is very
Yes.
more.
Because this is more clear because 200 and 100 would be like 200 means 200 candles, 100 means 100 candles.
Okay.
You will get less trades in 200 and 100, but whatever trades you will get, it will have more confirmation and more
Confirmation. Okay. Got it. Yeah.
Maybe if you choose IBM, then you may get only one or two trades in a week, right?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
The trades will be more accurate. See here, it doesn't move like anything, right?
Correct. Yeah.
And if you want to do scalping, then you can use 10 and 20 also like that. You can use.
Right. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so this is clear to you, right?
Yeah. Political branch clear and simple bow. Yeah. That's exponential. That's all good.
Yeah. Right. So now you can see that you will get very less trades, but they will be more accurate.
More accurate. Yeah. Okay.
Even you can use it if you want to use it in terms of investments. So that also you can use. In terms of investments, this crossover will give you very good returns.
Okay. Okay. So we can wait for the trade till it crosses, comes back to the touch the line, right?
Yes. See here it crossed, right? See it was at 140. Now still it didn't cross the lower one, right? Still it is moving. See from 140 to went to 280.
Right. You did not cross the middle median.
Yes.
Touched and went.
It doesn't went. So this is the best time actually to buy it again. If you miss
Right
here,
again. Okay.
if you miss here, then once the stock comes near this line, these are stocks buying.
Okay.
Don't buy here. Don't buy at the high. Always try to wait, and once the price touches, these are called
Right.
test points.
What is it? Retest points.
Retest points, right? As we discussed breakout, right? The stock will give a breakout and then start coming down. So this will be the retest zone. Similarly here also.
Right. Got it. Okay.
So if any of the times you miss here, then wait, try to buy here.
Okay. So here we can also use for reverse, but we should cross the blue line.
Yes, you can use a short position also, but the red line should cross the blue line and the price should also be both the lines.
Go down. Okay.
I will show you once. See here.
Okay.
So here So in this scenario, it went up, right? But still the line is below the blue line. So that means the trend is still downtrend. The trend is
Doctor.
so the trend will
Okay.
change here. The trend will change here once the red line again crosses blue line towards the upside.
Hmm. Okay.
So this is one more way to identify the trend also. And downtrend and identify like
Okay. So even though just like before that it crossed the two lines, but it is not called a trend.
yeah, this means it is still in downtrend. It is just trying to retest the area because the red line is still below the blue line.
Yes. Okay.
Trend is still downtrend.
Okay. Just probably its initial like small time it was went up and then came down. Right?
It is just making it is just making the traders fearful.
Fearful, right? It's
That
like
you
kind of
have
a
that
break,
you can
break
exit your position and all those things, right? If you see after that it went like anything towards the downside.
Correct. Yeah. This is all like done by institutions, right? They just panic.
Institutions, yeah, manipulation and all things there.
Okay.
So, but you should try to use your setup only and just focus on your setup and try to trade. That's it.
Okay.
So these options you will get, these scenarios will be very rare.
Okay.
Here you can see that after a long time, see, give a breakout here, cross the line here. Right? In the month of July 2009, right? It was in till 2013, 3 years it was in uptrend.
Yeah. Right.
So you will get a chance to make very good money if you use this on a positional basis.
Okay.
खोल दो डोर ये कमरे का नहीं जो कमरे का डोर खोल दो
Okay, so this is clear for Japan.
Yeah, this is clear. Yeah.
So now we will just try to finish remaining patterns, 2 or 3 patterns more are there to complete. I'll just finish it quickly.
Okay.
Actually, your video is off.
How is it? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So we finished double top and double bottom.
नमन गिर मत जाना पीछे नमन
Yeah.
So now we will talk about head and shoulders.
Okay.
So do you have any idea about head and shoulders pattern?
Same thing like top, like double top, but there will be one more big top in between the two tops.
Yes, yes, correct. You can see my screen, right?
It's loading actually. Yeah, now I can see.
Okay. So the head and shoulders will look like this.
Okay.
Shoulder, head, and shoulder, right?
Okay. Right. Yeah.
This is actually a head and shoulder. And similarly, we have inverse head and shoulder.
Okay. Okay.
Shoulders, two shoulders and one head. Here also we
Yeah.
have
Okay.
two shoulders and one head.
Okay. Yeah.
So this pattern takes quite a good time to form actually, and after that also we have to wait whether it will give a breakout or a breakdown or a fake breakout, or because these patterns may fail also, right?
Yeah. Right.
What we have to do once we see this pattern, so this the new line is called as neckline.
Okay.
Here also this line is neckline, right? These two lines are necklines. So what we have to do, we have to wait for this. We have to wait for the confirmation. Once the price breaks this neckline, then only
Okay.
we take a short position. So this is called
Short portion.
breakdown, and we have to take the short position here.
Okay.
And in this scenario, our target should be equal to this width.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's say here it is 12, and here it is 7. So 12 minus 7, 5. So once it gives a breakdown here, our target will be 5 points.
Okay. Right. But okay. So here in this diagram, like this, it looks like it's less than 7. It went up again.
It will keep on moving because it will try to retest, right?
Okay.
If
Okay.
down. So if you missed here, then you can short here.
Okay.
So this is a retest.
Right. Readers. Yeah. Okay.
So this is a breakdown,
Right. Right.
and this is a retest. So now you can short here, or if you missed here, or if you have shorted here, you can wait here because your stop loss is anyways here.
Right. Right.
The high of this candle. Wherever you have taken the short, your stop loss will be the high of this candle. Here.
Okay. Right.
So, and your target will be this much. Like in this case, 14 minus 13.
12 minus 7. 7. 12 minus 7. 5.
So yeah, your target will be somewhere here.
Oh.
Like this.
Okay. Yeah.
But you have to wait for it to make a breakdown. See here also it tried to break down, but it went up again.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. So we should exit the trade. In case we have taken the trade, we should exit and then come back.
Yes.
Okay.
Because this takes a lot of time. You can see that it will take around 40-50. And if you are checking this pattern on daily chart, that means 40-50 trading days it will take, means approximately 2 months.
2 months to form. Okay. Okay.
And similarly, we have inverse head and shoulders. See like this.
Oh. Right.
So this is for buying.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a breakout part, and once it gives a breakout, you have to buy here.
Mm.
The stop loss will be the low of this candle, and your target will be equal to this.
Okay. Right.
This is left shoulder, this is right shoulder, and this is the
Right. Good. Okay. Right. Yeah.
So this also will take some time, maybe 2.5 months, 3 months to form. Like even if you
Here's the
see,
top.
even if you see on 15 minutes chart, then also it will take a lot of time. 15 minutes into 50 candles,
Yeah. Right.
7.5.
So- Okay. So here the target you said, but the actual target looks a little bit less, right? Is it better to take the full target or is it like 75%?
And see, apart from that, you can use the previous swing high. You can
Okay.
pivot points. or even
Right.
not Bollinger Bands also. Based on that demand supply zone, you can try to exit higher also.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Because see, this is like a probability that it will go this time. Sometimes it may not go, and sometimes it may go beyond that also.
Right. Okay.
So you have to be like approximate targets will be like that.
Okay.
I'll show you in chart.
So when you
Yeah.
like when there are red reverse, there are red candles, two candles or third candle, we should come out, right? Safer to come. Maybe the first red candle, second red candle, maybe a fake one.
Yeah. So if you see that first candle it is going down, then what you can do is that you can try to short below that candle. Once it crosses the lower price of that candle, then only you take a super short position and stop
Okay.
taking.
Okay. The same thing when the trend is going up and it is not reached our target, and again suddenly it starts going reverse. The red candle is formed. We should immediately exit out, right?
Yeah, you can use trading stop loss also in that case.
Right. Right.
So if you see in this scenario, we have a kind of inverse dimension.
Yeah. Inverse energy.
It's not like full correct one, but it almost looks like a kind of
Yeah.
right?
Right. Right.
So this was a breakout zone, and the next day it opened gap up here.
Mm. Right.
So this target was how much? Here it is like 118, right?
Yeah.
And here it is 104. Approximately 14 points, right? 13, 14 points.
14 points. Correct. Yeah.
So 118 plus 14 around 132.
Yeah. Yeah.
It went up to 138 somewhere, 137, 138. Right?
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
And this I am checking the daily time frame, right?
Mm.
As you can see that so many candles are there. Approximately 2 months it took to form this pattern. And after the pattern is formed, it opened a gap.
Right. Yeah.
A gap up. Right. So most
Right.
of the people who are waiting for this pattern, they missed this opportunity here. Right?
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
So
Okay.
see any normal head and shoulders. See here it is there, but it is not successful.
Mm.
Didn't break the
Right. Right.
neckline. Break the neckline.
Yeah.
After that it reverse from here, right?
Reverse.
So
Yeah. Yeah.
what you have to do in this scenario, see here also you can see a hammer is formed now. Because you know that
Mm.
whenever a hammer is formed, it means there is a trend reversal, right? So this also
Trend reversal.
you
You can use it for.
you can use it.
Right.
And second
Okay.
thing, if you are still waiting for a short, you can short below the low. Once it crosses the low price of this candle, then you can try to take a short position.
Okay. Okay.
So once the candle is complete, then only take a short position. Don't try to take in the middle.
Okay. But the short position, we say when the hammer is formed, you have to wait for the upper length, right?
Upper trend. Once the hammer is formed, that means we have to mark the high and low, and whenever it crosses, we have to take the buy trade as per that, right?
Correct. Yes. Yeah.
So once it crosses, in this case it crosses the high, so we will take a buy trade. If in case it crosses the low, then we have to take a short trade.
Short. Correct.
We will get double confirmation. One is it calls the low price of the hammer, and second is it break the head and shoulders pattern.
Correct. Right. Yeah.
So you have to apply all your knowledge at one trade.
Exactly.
Get more accuracy.
Right. Like not only one technique, you open multiple techniques. Yes.
So
Make sure that it's successful.
right. So whenever you are taking the trade, you should remember all your setups and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, this is clear.
Yeah. This is clear. Yeah. I'm not sure this is clear.
Okay, let's move on to the next pattern. So next is cup and hand.
Yeah.
So mostly there are two patterns in this. One is called as rounding bottom, and one is cup and hand.
Okay. Yeah.
Like
Right. Right.
this is rounding bottom, this is cup and hand.
Right.
And similarly, we have the reverse rounding bottom and inverse
वो
cup
सब
and hand.
इंडेक्स के अंदर रखो ना
Okay.
जाओ जरा करो
So these two are for the buying position, and these two are for the short position.
Short. Okay.
Right. So in rounding bottom, whenever a rounding
चाय भी वेस्ट होगी
चाय की दे दो वीडियो चल ही नहीं रहा इसमें चल ही नहीं रहा वीडियो खुल ही नहीं रहा छोड़ो फिर नहीं चल रहा